How to connect Logitech G733 to the PC. First, unbox and prepare your Logitech G77. Remove the headset and USB wireless receiver from the box. Make sure your PC is turned on and is ready. Then insert the Logitech USB wireless receiver into an available USB port on your PC. Wait for a few seconds for your computer to recognize and install any necessary drivers automatically. Then power on the Logitech G77 headset. Press and hold the power button on your G733 headset until you see the LED light turn on. The headset will enter a pairing mode automatically when powered on. Then you just connect the headset to the USB receiver. The headset should automatically connect to the USB receiver within a few seconds. If it doesn't, press the pairing button on the USB receiver if available, or restart the headset. On your PC, right-click the speaker icon in the system tray and select Sounds or Sound Settings. Go to the Playback tab, find Logitech G733 or headset in the list. Right-click and choose Set as Default Device and Set as Default Communication Device, and then click OK. If this helped you, subscribe, but for now, goodbye.